Hi guys! In most of the new modern power supplies, you will find out they have two variable power supplies and one fixed voltage power supply. That's the reason why I use two power supplies, variable power supplies, and one fixed power supply. I'm going to use these power supplies for my next project. But also I found out they are not the proper ones, and the reason is in the next video you will watch. To create a plus-minus power source, we must connect in serial two power supplies. It means we will use the positive in one and the negative in the other. In between, we will join whatever is in it. This kind of power supplies, they have an extra born and it's connected to nothing. The reason is because it is made for me to make bridges when I need it. In this case, I made one bridge here. And I create the other bridge right there. I just use a paper clip to make the joints. The reason why we use this kind of connections is because in electronics we have the analog and the digital stage. In the analog stage, most of the time we need plus-minus voltage to deal with operational amplifiers and transistors. The digital stage requires a very good fixed regulated voltage to deal with logic gates and microcontrollers. To make the connections is very easy. As I said, I'm going to use the negative here and the positive there. The positive in the right, the negative in the left, and everything in between, I will join it. The right power supply is the positive, so I will use a paper clip. These 2 points are joined. The power supply on the left is the negative. Then I will join it here with a paper clip. And my negative is free. We need banana connectors and black and red cable. Positive red on the right, negative black on the left. Now the ground cable is green, but it must be joined to the other connector. And it goes to the center. Easy! Thanks guys by watching the video.